Your LG range comes equipped with two warming options. The warm function, located on the cooking mode knob, and the keep warm function, located on the control panel. Both the warm and keep warm functions maintain an oven temperature of 170 degrees Fahrenheit to keep cooked food warm for serving. The warm function keeps cooked food warm for up to 3 hours. It can be used either by itself or be set to follow a timed cook or a delayed time cook. Setting the warm function. Turn the oven mode knob to select Proof Warm. Proof appears in the display. Two numbers appear in the display. One is for the proof function and 2 is for the warm function. Press 2 to select Warm. Warm appears in the display. Press Start. On some models, to change the proof function to warm, select the plus button and then Start. It is normal for the fan to operate during the warm function. To cancel the warm function, turn the oven mode knob to the off position. The keep warm function keeps cooked food warm for up to 12 hours. The keep warm function cannot be used alone. It must be set to follow another cooking operation. Setting the keep warm function after a timed cook. Select the bake, convection roast, air fry, or frozen meal cooking mode. Set the temperature. Press cook time and enter the cook time using the number buttons. Press keep warm and press start. To cancel the keep warm function, press the keep warm button again on the display. To cancel the keep warm function, cook mode, and turn off the oven, turn the oven mode knob to the off position. Here are some things to remember. You can also activate the keep warm function while cooking in some cook modes. Do not use the proof mode for warming food or keeping food hot. The proofing oven temperature is not hot enough to keep foods at safe temperatures. Use the warm or keep warm functions to keep cooked food warm. Use only oven-safe dishware or cookware that can withstand high temperatures. Handle dishes using oven mitts to avoid burns.